Hi, this is Vidhi Yadav. It's been 5 months since I joined Xebia. What attracted me was Xebia's motto, to lead with authority. Ever since I've joined, I think I have gotten the right amount of support. My manager especially, he has thrown me into the ocean but hasn't let me drown. So I think I have gotten the right amount of autonomy with enough support to take the initiative and to lead with authority. Since I am working as a part of a global team, I think time zone has not been a challenge because even people in different locations and the leadership believe that collaboration is key. And people working in different time zones have been very supportive, and I feel that the culture is very open door here. So I recently participated in this Tech AI-thon, which was around vibe coding, and I loved the whole experience. Somebody like me coming from a non-technical background, I've done my bachelor's and my master's both in business administration. So I was not familiar with coding and building something out of technology. But I think that the environment was great. I could contribute in terms of ideas, and I got to get my hands on developing code and building some solution out of AI while not being familiar with coding much. In the gamut of day-to-day operations, since everybody gets busy, I still am very grateful that I get dedicated time from my manager because mentorship is truly essential to build career in the longer run, especially for people who have just started with their career. And I believe that if one is looking to build a long-term career, I think Xebia is the place.